Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I got for Christmas. Now, our family does celebrate Christmas, but we're not really big on giving physical gifts. So I didn't think that I was going to do a what I got for Christmas video. But this year I got some things from a couple of different people, and also I got a bunch of gift cards. So I picked myself up a couple of things with those gift cards as well. So I thought I'd share with you everything that I picked up. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get going. So the first thing I'm going to open up is this one. So I wanted to do this first because it is not what you think it is. So I didn't pick up another piece from Cartier. As you guys know, I just picked up this necklace only like a month ago. So I'm not really buying something else already, although I do have a couple of things on my wish list already from Cartier. But inside of this bag is a really kind gift from my sales associate at Cartier, Odd. Thank you so much, Odd, if you're watching. But basically, after I picked up my necklace, Odd got into contact with me and she actually said one of my subscribers came in to check out this necklace, and because it was getting so close to Christmas, she had something little to give me. And anything from Cartier is never a small thing, and I just really appreciate it. And Odd couldn't really give me details of her client who came in to check out this necklace, so you know who you are. So if you have picked up this necklace or if you checked out anything else at Cartier, do let me know in the comments below. I'll be so excited to chat with you. But anyway, so I went in to pick this up. I've already opened it because I was being really impatient, but inside of it, the item actually came gift wrapped perfectly in their normal gift wrapping. So I kept the paper just to show you how beautiful. So that's there. And the item comes in this beautiful box. It says Cartier and it just looks like one of their normal jewelry boxes. And when you open it up, inside of it is a beautiful perfumed Cartier candle. How beautiful is it? Even the box is so luxurious. So on the one side of the candle it says Cartier, and on the other side there's a tiger picture there, all in the gold. I just love this simple and luxurious aesthetic. So it's all in that Cartier red color, burgundy red color with gold. So luxe. And then on the top it says Cartier as well on the paper there. Isn't this just beautiful? And I love candles. So thank you so much again to Odd. I absolutely love it. And it comes with a little care instruction booklet and also, you know, a little message that says, Maison Cartier is pleased to present you with this candle designed to celebrate the bond between us. Made in France using a traditional method, this candle reflects the Maison's creative vision and technical expertise. And then it goes on to talk about the fragrance used in this candle and so on. So this is absolutely the most special thing that has happened this Christmas. So the next thing that I'm going to open is in this beautiful wooden box. It is actually from my bestie. It is from the brand Sarah and Sebastian. They're a fine jewelry company and I think they are Australian, but they do some beautiful pieces. They do a lot of dainty jewelry and all of their pieces are in precious metal. I do love dainty jewelry that I can wear on a daily basis. But to show you what I got, it is an initials necklace in 10 karat gold. So it is solid gold in the 10 karat concentration, and as you can see it has the initial E. As you guys know, when I go for any initials, I usually go for the initial of my Korean name, which starts with an E. And it is just a very dainty gold chain necklace. And I actually ended up getting my bestie one with her initial as well. So it has such a nice sentimental value to me. I'm gonna pull this out and show you. It is a really excellent choice for a daily necklace that you can wear to work or wherever. And it is just so cute. So that is what the necklace looks like. It is tiny. And the chain length is 16 inches, but they do have longer chain lengths as well. But with dainty jewelry, I do actually like 16-inch better. It sits exactly the same spot as this Cartier necklace on my neck. So that is my favorite length when it comes to dainty jewelry, and I've been wearing this a lot already. The next item that we're gonna get into is in this bag. So it is from Louis Vuitton. I did an Instagram story a few days ago and I did it in my closet, and in the background I had this bag sitting behind me, which was actually not planned, but I had just picked it up and I just sort of left it there. And a lot of you guys messaged me on Instagram asking, what did you get from Louis Vuitton? And if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, because I do, you know, stories and outfit pictures and all that stuff. So I'll show you what I got. So I got this from the David Jones store here in Australia. There's a Louis Vuitton in David Jones in Sydney. I got a bunch of David Jones gift vouchers, which was amazing because the Louis Vuitton store in David Jones accepts David Jones gift cards as well. So inside, look how beautiful this gift wrapping is. So not only the bag is in the Christmas edition, but also the item is wrapped in the gift paper as well. How beautiful. I just absolutely love this paper. I was just gonna get into it, but I thought, you know what? I have to document the unboxing of this because the paper is just too precious. Let's get into the item. I've wanted this forever, but I just haven't pulled the trigger on it because for what it is, the type of item it is, I just thought it was just so pricey. So I just couldn't really, you know, bring myself to spend that much money on it. And by looking at the shape of it, some of you might be able to guess what it is, but it is a Louis Vuitton perfume. And I picked up the Les Sables Roses. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but that is the name of it, and it is their most expensive range in that black bottle. So let me just get into it now and show you the actual bottle. So the box opens like so, and it comes in the beautiful cylinder box inside of the actual box. So I've got the cylinder box out, and to show you, this particular one is in the black bottle. How chic is the packaging of Louis Vuitton fragrances? So this is what it looks like. So this one's a little bit more expensive at $565 for the 100ml bottle, as opposed to I think $410 a bottle for their other ones. Is because it's got a lot of high quality wood in it, which actually makes the smell last for a lot longer. I've tried out the testers of this particular scent before, and I can tell you it lasts for days and days and days. The smell is quite woody, so it is not completely feminine, but the roses in it make it really feminine. And I don't generally like rosy scents because some of them can smell quite grandma-y, so I'm not usually one to go for anything rosy. But the Louis Vuitton Rose one, which is the Roses de Vence, is actually a really nice rose scent, so I was gonna go for that one. Then I tested this one out, and guys, this was just the one. The rose scent still keeps this scent very, very feminine, and the wood component makes it very long lasting and adds a bit of a depth to the scent, so it's not just your common florally scent. So a very, very unique scent. If you are really over the common scents, I do recommend checking this one out. I haven't really smelled it a lot on other people, partly because Louis Vuitton fragrance is still quite new on the market. I mean, a lot of other designers have been doing perfumes for much, much longer, so I understand why they become a lot more common over the years, but yeah, this is still kind of newish on the market, so definitely recommend it for someone who's looking for a florally scent with a bit more depth to it. And then the last item that I'm gonna unbox with you is from Chanel. So this is technically not a Christmas purchase, but I picked it up in Boxing Day sale. You guys probably know that Chanel has sales once or twice a year, and none of their bags go on sale, but some of their seasonal shoes, jewelry and ready to wear go on sale from what I know. If you guys know any different, do let me know in the comments below. I'm not too familiar with the Chanel sales, but I just stumbled upon this sale very coincidentally. I was just in the city and I just happened to notice that they had a sales section, and it's not even obvious. Only when you check out the items, the sales associate would tell you, oh, it is on sale. But anyway, this is a sale item that I just picked up, and it is, as you can see, it's a shoe box. It's a pair of shoes. Oh, I just wanted to ask you guys something. So when I purchased these shoes, they came just like this. So just the black Chanel box and the bag. And normally Chanel gift wraps all their items with the ribbon and the camellia. And I understand that this is on sale, so you know, they're not making heaps of money off it, but I was a bit surprised that they did nothing. I mean, at least put a camellia on the bag. Like, look how plain this bag looks. Am I just expecting too much, or, you know, is this something that is a little bit off-putting really? I mean, although they are on sale, they're still pretty expensive shoes. So in my opinion, they should at least put the camellia on the bag. But if you know anything about that, just let me know in the comments below. Is it normal that they don't do any gift packaging for their sale items? I've never picked up something on sale, so I wouldn't know. But it doesn't really bother me because I've got a lot of camellias and ribbons and all that anyway. So that's not the important part. But the important part is that I picked up these shoes on 40% off sale. When I saw the price, I just couldn't resist. I mean, I really like the shoe, and I didn't even know that these were on sale when I picked it up to ask for my size anyway, so it was a bonus when she mentioned that they're 40% off. And I'll tell you the price as well at the end. But I picked up a pair of heels, just very plain black heels, but with a lot of Chanel details. So there's the other pair, and they do come with the spare heel tips and the Chanel dust bag. So there are two there, one for each pair. So these are the beautiful heels that I picked up from Chanel. So I don't know how high these are, but I'd say about 8 or 9 centimeters high. They're not in the thinnest of heels, so you can see that the heels are kind of not block heels, but they're a bit thicker. So when I tried them on, they were very comfortable. And they do have a cap toe detail at the front there. So as you can see, the toe is in that different fabric material, and the body of the shoe is in the beautiful, slightly shimmery black tweed material. Very quintessentially Chanel because tweed is one of their materials. And on the side there, you can see a tiny little Chanel logo. I just love how understated this is. And then on the other side, it doesn't have that same Chanel logo, but instead it's got a runny writing that says Gabrielle Chanel. So either side is a little bit different, but absolutely love how subtle it is. Although it does carry a lot of that's quintessentially Chanel features, they don't have any big logos around them, which is what I really like. As you guys know, I'm all about the subtle, understated luxury these days. And on the inside is just your regular Chanel insole in that nude color, and it's just got the Chanel hot stamping in the gold there. They were originally retailing for 1,040 Australian dollars, but they had 40% off of them, so I ended up picking them up for $624. How good is that? How can you resist a pair of really classic black Chanel heels for that sort of a price? When they have your size, how can you resist? So that was a bargain that I scored. So that is everything that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you have any questions about any of these items, do leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you. I want to know what you guys got for Christmas and what your favorite gift was. So if you want to share that with us, do leave them in the comments below as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today. And I can't wait to see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!